Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. You know, so today we're there at Duns River for sure. So we're there at Duns River, which is. Want to stay tuned and go and bless up on yourself and see what I'm going to see it. Well, family out. Yeah, one Malachi. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Well, family out, you see free. So them just go and stay tuned and see what I'm going funny. Going within a parking lot currently. Seeing going down from the ground, you see it? It's an holiday, so obviously it's Independence Day in Jamaica. Go and bless up on yourself. Stay tuned. See you next praise Eve, because we head out, we wait for the rest of people in for reach, and then we head out down the road, isn't it? Go and bless up on yourself. See, come on, and I can't wait everyone, man.
Hold on for the man.
Ollie, you want this? Ollie, you want this? You don't want a chair?
Where you go, my God?
Yeah, sometimes in a Japan, I'm in them place, hometown.
You know them hometown.
I want to see them. We call Pablo White and Davilani. They want to see them. In them place.
Probably find them.
Don't listen to him. Steer toes.
Oh, you don't come in, Arena.
Don't worry about that. Watch your face. Watch your face.
I see her face, man. Mommy wants you. Eh?
You get sick, way. Come on.
Roll up.
You want to You must have them never ready.
You saw no one more to say no?
Right now, yo, it's stunk like a... What you hot? What you hot? Hey,
Before the rain, that you see the
you want to walk past all the wall, them out of course, it's a good road, innit? I feel me never like yellow.
I'm saying I'm ID. I forgot about that the last time.
You will start straight, Jamaica. They must know.
Patwa.
They must
Any
know.
brother, all Jamaican and chat, they must
It's a
know.
girl, don't do that. Don't do that. You know your mommy and your daddy, don't do that.
But we can't
Don't
say
do that.
I like a piece of food.
You're going to some cold water, yes, girl.
You see that man, she's not bad, you know?
Yes,
She has a lovely water. You know, so if you're early with the other, she's active. Great, Najee.
A piece of right here. Yeah, brighter than food. Yeah, brighter than food. I'm trying my best to shade the out of the sun and so I tell the people to cook all the food early. We try to get one of the picnic bench them because they make some picnic bench around here, you know. One of them bench they full up. Gone already here.
Most. You leave now, look.
This one they don't look underneath the shed, you know. Yes, one of the other things. Cool and all.
No more. You know, you know, pick up now. One bar, me have. Tired already? Go back now, I can't go sit down.
Right now, I'm tired already. You know, see it? Tired already. Tired already. Walking enough in the air. Lazy. Lazy, them call it, I just tired. And Kezia come far away. She sleep out the whole of the journey. And she could all out, you know, I bet she'd have fight for us all again.
I'm just going to watch it.
When I come around the back, you have to take your line. Everybody. You have to wait. You can't wait.
Enjoy back there again. Make your back here.
Yes, sister, subscribe. You got to take a picture.
Come Kezia, we outside.
But she stopped by.
Yeah? No? You did left? You did left now?
One.
Link hurry and go for you.
Oriana inside.
Alright!
But them not usually.
Keep going.
Oh. Eh? The water shoes?
No, baby.
That's tough though. Yeah.
When you run from a problem, it never solves. No man will forget the man at time.
They flag the board.
We still go on wrong, but I'm an honor. I'm an honor. I'm a leader. Pick up America. No way. My belly full. Sweet Jamaica. Man, Jamaicans gone abroad. When last you really check a yard, remember saltfish, fritters, fuller and pure. Wash it down with ice cool beer and true. You know bad at all, but I'm a I'm a border, I'm a leader.
How do you check 1, 2, 3? Yeah. Welcome to the famous Duns River Falls and Park. You know it's Independence. Here we go.
I really live, that is not my fault. When we hear it reach by the terminus, I feel the bus come to a halt. Think around, put down and they move about, but just as if that would not suffice. When I run to the bus and start to shout, you should have let me quit by a pound of rice. From good liver, good fillet, manage water, really good meat, make the every for your daughter. Go a good lunch, put the bite in your paw. You make your daughter, it make your daughter walk and talk. Well, the news spread fast like a telegram. Nobody know where the code come from. We raise a bat and a band who sit down get all along. Two blues and the cut a while. I hit a yam and banana pit. Meanwhile, the waters are gone. Little bit goat and a let it slip. From good liver, good the medication on the farm. Give me good feet, make the Eric in the data. Hurry good lunch, give the bite in your bar. Make the data.
And it's on right banana.
Walk and talk. Well, I pop 2 belts and I take a sell. I take a walk, go out the street. But while I wait,
Can't zoom. All mama boss are come. Kiss me baby.
No, I'm not going to interview the interview. I interview my boy, girl is sing, I'm going to say that. And then the girl is sing.
Really?
Board up. 1 leg. Board up.
That video?
Go here. Go to your body. Just come in. Yeah.
You are bad Peter man.
Goes around up on the beach side and stays up. I lie. No, don't stay. I like fun.
My friend, no matter what.
Who's fire?
I'm not going to me now.
The money I look.
Yeah.
Stop.
Lie. Yeah, just our music video is outside. Our music video we can't shut down. See me, I'm gonna shut the video. Right, as we speak. Rasta City. Yo, I wonder how I think I see. Yo, you see what you close the camera to you? And you know, look there? You see all 2 board them crazy. Yeah, watch out. Watch out. That me wonder. You mad now. moves the bread. Oh.
Yeah.
What? The dog. Brother moves the dog. Yo, brother moves the dog. Catch for me. I show the man and the man now run up on me off dog. You break. Brother moves it. Interview. Interview. Oh, yeah, holiday away today. Holiday? Yeah. Yeah, no? Got me that come. Go on, man. Holiday there. Oh, you say why? Holiday active. Crazy. Crazy. How this look like the lockout house? I'm gonna sleep with that sleep. Crazy, man. Wait, say crazy. One interview, buddy. One tradition and right? Believe the man. Believe. Artists around there with the rock back there. You say that I get rock back anyway. Rock back. Alright, back to the DM now, you know. Hey, what? Good.
stepping on the right stones because some of the stone is slippery. Wait up, I remember tell me the phone. The waist bag.
Everybody me alone for them. On me,
we are climbing fast because I'm not going in the waist bag, I never remember. And we want to finish and never take pictures. Be careful the way you the water free for your foot. That's what I prepare for mine. Why are you saying that side? I saw that side here? That's fine. Guys, in shot. Ask me, oh, me I gotta do it. Woohoo! Me have the phone in my waist bag. Now catch your waist bag. My phone in there. Get it to me. Well, I know. Get it to me. The phone in there. Yeah. That is a stone in the bridge. I just want to look at the fun. Right? You're not interested. You're not interested in coming back up this thing. Wait. Can't believe it. I've made it through the wilderness. You got that song there? I've made it through the wilderness. Don't know I made it through. That's just so. I'm going to be able to separate. One more of them, Molly. One more of them. Later. Stop it, man. Wow. Guys, I'm at the zip line. The girl might turn upside down and come down the zip. We stress out me about the falls and I'm tired. Find the other weave. That's what it's killing me. One more coming, everybody want upside down, let's go. That's fun to do. Walk the road and take the falls and now we can't find them. I don't know what them do. Searching like Google. Ready, book?
the school.
Yeah.
You know that. Gasa? Gasa yawa.
take it? No, we
Check it out, man. Yes, I'm slippery. Check it out. Take your time. Slippery. We almost reach here.
invite a friend over, bring up my WH